This review is of Farofa de Mandioca, sabor, Carne, Seca, Pronta. Or, in English, it's Yucca flour with dried meat. But the irony here is that there is no dried meat in it. So, you have to add your own dried meat if that's what you want. And if you want to add vegetables and stuff like that. They do have a recipe here for making it with meat and vegetables. Unfortunately, it's written in, I believe it's Portuguese, because I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, when I looked this up, that this is from Brazil. Let's see, where was that again? Gosh darn it all. Yep, Brazil. Araruna, Paraná, Brazil. Okay, so it's really hard to figure out what you're supposed to do with this, but basically think of this as a starch substitute for things like flour, rice, noodles, potatoes, sweet potatoes. It's in the same group as those, where it's used as, or cassava flour, cornmeal. It's used as a base for a meal. It's already flavored, so all you've got to do is some way or other heat it up and add in what you're going to add in. I believe that the recommendation here says colheres de oleo, so that would be butter or margarine, and that's 3. I'm not sure what 3 means. Colheres, sorry, I don't speak Portuguese. But it probably is like 3 spoons of butter or something like that, or 3 tablespoons maybe. So you could use water or oil or butter, and then just add in whatever it is you want to add in. If I remember, let's see, it doesn't mention water, but oh well. So this is a bit of an experiment for you if you pick it up and you don't speak Portuguese. But here they do actually give ingredients in English, miraculously. So you can see it says Yucca flour is the first ingredient right there. And the nutrition facts. And without adding any vegetables or meat into it, because again it doesn't say there's actually any meat in it in the ingredients. It just contains the yucca flour, flavoring, scarlet salt, MSG, pepper, and ascorbic acid as an antioxidant. And instead of saying farofa, it says farinha. So that would be, like farina. If you're not familiar with farina, it's cream of wheat is another word for it. So farofa is more complicated than just flour. It's got other stuff in it, basically. And I'm just confirming that the ingredients listed here in Portuguese don't show meat. And nope, they don't. So this has got 5 grams of fat, of which 1.5 grams is saturated. It's got no cholesterol, 220 milligrams of sodium. So it's kind of high on the sodium in there. 20 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary. I would hope you get more than 2 grams from 20 for this, but 2 grams of fiber is better than nothing. There's no added sugar. Is it particularly healthful? No, it's a starch food, but it's not going to kill you either, unless you're mixing in the actual sabor seca, the dried meat. Sorry, my bronchitis is still messing me up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cook this up and let you know what we think. Okay, so I heated it up. I added some mixed vegetables to it. I used about 4 tablespoons of margarine because I can't use butter because I'm lactose intolerant, for those who don't know. And it was really bland, so I added a bit of salt and a bit of chili pepper powder. So, I suppose if you're used to eating yucca flour, that this is going to be something you're going to be fine with. I would encourage you, however, if you're good at using spices, to add other things to it to improve the flavor, because it's just okay. It's nothing remarkable, and I even regret putting in the extra salt because there was already salt in the margarine. So I'll give it a 5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.